The Refactory in Flins has become the group's first factory in Europe, entirely dedicated to the circular economy. The historic plant's conversion is the embodiment of a new profit-making, sustainable and digitalized industrial model. Founded on a vehicle's potential value at every stage of its lifespan, the model offers extra leverage in terms of competitiveness for Renault Group. The Factory VO, used car factory, reconditions used cars of any brand, taking advantage of the full range of the site's industrial know-how, the remanufacturing skills of teams from Choisy-le-Roi, and the support of Gaia, a subsidiary specialized in repairing batteries and recycling. With over 45,000 vehicles reconditioned a year, by 2025, the Factory VO, used car factory, will be the largest reconditioning site in Europe. Thanks to Mobilize's expertise in mobility and energy, batteries will benefit from a second life, turning into stationary storage for occasional energy needs. Subsidiaries of Renault Group bring their know-how in the fields of collecting, dismantling and upcycling parts and materials, granting the Refactory a competitive edge. By 2025, the activities accomplished in Flins in the framework of the Refactory will weigh up to 200 million.